Welcome to Mind Portal upcoming PSU NALCO HCL MOIL UCIL exam quiz video. Question number 1. Permanent adjustment of theodolite does not include. The correct answer will be option 3. Leveling the instrument. Question number 2. Remote sensing by satellite began in. The correct answer will be option 2. 1960. Question number 3. The term EDM is surveying stand for. The correct answer will be option 1. Electronic distance measurement. Question number 4. Indirect ranging is done when both ends of a survey line are. The correct answer will be option 3. Not intervisible. Question number 5. In evolution rock slope stability, which factor most significantly reduce the factor of safety against sliding? The correct answer will be option 2. The presence of water reducing effective normal stress along discontinuities. Question number 6. Which of the following instrument is most commonly used to monitor in situ deformation in underground excavation for ground control purpose? The correct answer will be option 2. Extensometer. Question number 7. The load at which an axially loaded timber prop reach its elastic limit is known as. The correct answer will be option 1. Setting load. Question number 8. Which rock mass classification system is primarily based on a visual evolution of the rock mass structure and the condition of discontinuity surfaces? The correct answer will be option 3. Geological Strength Index GSI. Question number 9. Which failure theory is most applicable to predict tensile feature initiation in brittle rocks? The correct answer will be option 2. Griffith's criterion. Question number 10. Which microstructural characteristic is primarily responsible for brittle fracture in rocks? The correct answer will be option 3. Presence of microcracks.